We should further increase the legalization of medical marijuana because it is an effective product that can treat mild problems in patients such as breathing difficulties and asthma to patients with more severe problems like AIDS and HIV. According to the New England Journal of Medicine, L. Vachin explained that in contrast to cigarette smoke that causes the throat and airway passages to narrow, marijuana smoke causes the airways to open, thus relieving the stress asthma has on the lungs. Like Donald Tashkin, a professor at the University of California, some may say that using marijuana will have long-term effects on the lungs if used regularly. However, current states that have legalized medical marijuana only allow a certain amount to be used. For example, Michigan only allows for 2.5 ounces for medical marijuana and is one of 13 states to have legalized its use. According to statistics on avert.org, approximately 33 million were estimated living with AIDS and HIV in 2007. Over 25 million have actually died from AIDS since 1981 and is considered to be a growing epidemic. AIDS and HIV isn't just a growing problem for the U.S., it is also a global issue. There are many ways to treat AIDS and HIV, and medical marijuana is one of them. In clinical testing, when compared to the placebo, only marijuana increased sleep ratings. Margaret Haney, a professor at Columbia University, made the conclusion that even with increased dosages, marijuana was still tolerated and even increased the intake of food. At the University of San Francisco, Professor Donald I. Abrams wrote about the study where marijuana was compared to similar placebo cigarettes. Patients were required to use each 3 times a day for 5 days. The result were yet again that medical marijuana was quite tolerable. It was also very beneficial to relieving the chronic neuropathic pain. This is when nerve fibers are damaged, dysfunctional, or injured, causing them to send the wrong signals to the wrong pain centers. It can change nerve function at the injury and places around it. It is caused by HIV. In conclusion, medical marijuana should be legalized in more states because it is more effective at treating patients that suffer from countless health issues than its competitors.